Hello and welcome back to Enoven Cake and Cookies. I'm Nahida and today we are making something soft, flaky and perfect for breakfast or lunch. Puri Paratha. It's a twist between a puffed puri and a layered paratha. Light, flavorful and so satisfying. Let's start the recipe. In a bowl, add 1 cup of flour, 3 tablespoons of Suji or Semolina, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix everything well. This addition of semolina adds texture and crunch to the layers. Suji is a good source of iron and protein, keeping energy levels up. Now gradually add half cup of water and knead it into a smooth dough. Rub a little oil over the dough and let it rest for 10 minutes. After resting, add 2 tablespoons of milk powder and mix well into the dough for extra softness. Always raise the dough, it makes rolling and puffing much easier. Adding milk powder gives a soft bite and nice browning. Take a small portion of dough and roll it into flat. Now spread some ghee over the surface. Cut and fold the dough as shown to create beautiful layers. You can swap ghee with a light oil for a healthier twist. Have you ever tried combining puri and paratha in one recipe? Would you serve this with curry, pickle or just tea? Let us know if you prefer plain, stuffed or layered paratha. Tell us your favorite breakfast recipe. We might feature it next. Roll again carefully. Homemade paratha use less oil than street version, better for digestion. Milk powder adds calcium and richness. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry the puri paratha until it puffs and turns golden. The addition of semolina adds texture and crunch to the layers. Ghee helps create beautiful flakes and enhances flavor naturally. In many regions, this is served with curry, chutney or even sugar for kids. Flip and fry the other side well too. Use medium heat for frying so it cooks evenly without burning. Don't overcoat the pan. Your flaky and delicious puri paratha is ready to enjoy. Puri is typically deep fried and round, while paratha is rolled with layers. This recipe combines both. That's it for today. Soft, flaky and absolutely mouth-watering puri paratha. It's simple, quick and a great way to bring something new to your everyday meals. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share with your friends. And of course, subscribe to Enoven Cake and Cookies for more creative and easy recipes. See you next time and happy cooking!